Okay, I'm looking at this Disney cracking here. I just put an order in right here to short, and there's really nothing much on the way down here, so it's like your risk is to up here. Basically to 75 cents, which is a ton for Disney. See if I even get filled. I'm going to start off conservatively, 150, 75. See if I even get filled on this, and then see what happens. But I think this thing is going to be, it looks heavy, and I think we're coming in. See if I can get filled in at 6 cents. Did not get filled there. Got 3 shares. I got 3 shares. Lifted at 6 cents. On that partial fill. Only got 3 shares. See if I can get it on a retest. I'm going to step down a little bit, try to get it. Did not get it. Stepping down to 99. Got it there. Okay. Got it there. And looking for new lows. 149.72 is low a day. Would like to see this thing come in and go make new lows pretty quickly. And then maybe even find a place to add. So I think this thing looks very heavy. This TSM just keeps on going. Here comes Disney in. I think I'm going to try to get short some more Disney here at 99. Against like 12 cents if I can get it. 99. Getting a little bit of it. Got a little more. Didn't get, barely got even lifted my 200 shares. That's how difficult it was. It's 95. I got 400 now. Average price of 99 cents. I'm only giving that extra lot till like just above 10 cents. So would like to see this Disney moving away and going back to lows. Let's see if the market can help as well here. Let's see. If I even can cover my risk on that extra lot, then that's even better. But I would love to see this thing go to lows first. Love to see this thing go to lows, and here's low a day. trying to get some covers off down here. See if they hit the bids a little more. See if we can get back down again. Got down to 63 cents. See if we can break down to the 50s here. Don't like that we keep sucking back up in. I would like to see this continuation, the seller press to the downside here. Let's see if I can cover another partial here at 68. Was not able to. Big pop up to 70. See if we can hold on to this. Don't want to see it back up here. See this coming down, making new lows here down to the 60s. I don't really want to see it back up in the 80s at this point. I want to see it go retest. I don't like this action that it's popping back up here. In an ideal world, this would have been going down and breaking down to lows. The fact that it's up here at 50 again, not what I want. Size came in, they got taken. And now it looks like there's a buyer in here. Not really liking this action. Gonna cover another one if we can get down to the low 80s, high 70s again. Don't like that. Do not like that at all. Can we get back down to the 80s? Let's see if they can hit the bids a little bit here and drop out to the low 80s. Having trouble. Having trouble. And here we are again, back above the hole. Don't like that. Don't like this action at all. Don't like that at all. Want to be seeing this thing coming in to the 80s, going to retest that 60s area. Let's give it one more chance after it came up above the hole here. Let's give it one more chance to drop down. Cannot hold below 90 cents. That's the first step. Cannot hold below 90 cents, and right now it can't. Really want to see this thing start moving down, but the seller is not actively pushing down. I'll try to be patient and hold this size. There's barely any size, but I'm going to try to be patient. I really don't like that it's hanging out up here again. Really want to see it down in the 80s. I want to see this seller start stepping down. Let's see, then step down and push down to the 80s here. That's a little bit better. That's better. Let's see if we can get a flush down to the 70s now. I'm going to cover one here if I can. Did not get it. Got it there. Okay, let's see if we can continue to move down. That is better. Can we crack lows? Let's see if we can crack these lows, but here we are back up here again. Yeah, I want to see the seller start to move and press down on this Disney. Market's starting to turn over and come in, which is going to help for sure, but I need an active seller to continue to press, and right now they're not. Right now they're not. Yeah, I don't like that. Just the seller is not willing to go and press down right now. Come on. It's running into a time stop. I like the selling there, but I want to see that 78 drop. I like the selling that came in right there. I want to see the seller come down and push, get aggressive. Yeah, we're just not seeing it. Okay. I think it's time to start getting more defensive. Or punching them. Yeah, see, I want to give it a chance. I want to give it a chance because I think if they can crack that and really start moving, then this thing could go visit 49 or lower. Let's go. Let's see if they can do it here. Here we go. That's a bit better. Let's see if we can break down into the 60s. Seller stepping down. And again, having trouble down here. See, there we go into the 60s. That's good. Let's see if we can go retest that low, but immediately bids right back up. And then right back, sucks right back up to the 80s. I don't like that action. Do not like that action. If it doesn't go back to the 60s immediately here, I'm going to take another one off. Because this thing could just bounce from here. Needs to get down to the 60s very quickly. Punch this thing down. That's better. And this low 70s coming in. Here's low a day. There we go. Just popped down through low a day. This Disney is going. Barely going. And then sucks straight back up. That's unfortunate. Just tough. Yeah, man, this thing sucks. This thing sucks to trade. For every penny it goes down, it pops like 20 cents. Trying to be patient with this thing. Got down to 47. Here is this 50-cent level. Let's see if we can crack lows. I feel like we should be able to go crack lows here and run a little bit. Nope. And this thing is just having trouble getting down. Let's try one more time here. Can we crack, go to lows, make some kind of significant low? Let's try here. Let's watch this guy press, and there's better lows, but only by 3 cents. It's not that impressive. Gonna take another one, another half lot off here. That's better. Keep letting this thing crack. Keep cracking. It's better. 32s, 31s. Let this thing go. 29s, 27s. Not getting it. And it bids right back up. So a lot of algos playing in here. Let's see if this can crack this 30-cent level. This is like watching paint dry. It's very slow going. Yeah, and for 1 penny it pops 15. For 1 penny down it pops 15. It's just very difficult. You have to get filled on the down pushes as they're happening. I'm not sure how much more downside this thing has. Let's see. Yeah, took another piece there. I'm just locking in my day here. I think this may have been it even. I mean, they might do one more flush, but if they have to bring it up to the 80s in order to get it down to 149, then that's not worth it. I might just take the whole thing here. see if they can get it down this time below 28 cents. It's just having so much difficulty getting down, and there's all this buying. 31, this 31 cent is buying and bidding back up. There they go. See if we can get a big flush down here. Nope. Down to the 20s and back up to 30. Yeah, I don't like this 31 cent continues to come back. I'm about ready to cut this whole trade. I'm out. What did I get? 39. Yeah, that's not the greatest, but I'm out. Okay. Well, caught a piece of it. Caught a piece of it.